Here at SurePoint Ag Systems, we're excited to announce our Patriot spray trailer with QuickDraw automated loading system. This spray trailer is brand new in the fall of 2024. It's going to be available in 3 models. It's going to be available in a 38-foot and a 42-foot dual axle trailer. The trailer that we're going to be looking at today is a 42-footer for reference. Additionally, it's available in a 48-foot triple axle trailer. Trailers are going to feature 22,500 pound axles, 295 R75 R22.5 tires. As we take a look at this trailer, we'll take a look at some of the features of it. First of all, what we've got for tanks. So these trailers are going to feature EnduraPlaza's premium bottom pin mounting tanks. Going to be available in a 2,800 gallon tank or a 3,200 gallon tank. You can get them configured with either of those 2 sizes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trailer. This is a very heavy built trailer. So one of the things that we'll look at is the main trailer beam. The main trailer beam is 24 inches in depth. That's going to be the heaviest built spray trailer in the industry. One of the things that's unique about the Patriot spray trailer is its modular design. The trailer itself is going to be our front and our rear tank. In the center section of this trailer, where we're going to build out our loading deck, the trailer itself just has the main frame members and the decking between those members. On the exterior of that, the trailer is designed with a modular rail where we can attach different modules based on how we're going to configure the trailer. So for example, right here, we're looking at a 42-inch module, 42-inch wing module. This is going to be what we would use when we want to put a tote in this location. Our steps are modular as well. All of the components are going to be modular so that we have a great deal of flexibility in terms of how we want to set these trailers up. Those standard configurations are going to be the ability to configure it for a driver or a passenger side load. Of course, the trailer that we're looking at today is a driver side load configuration. Everything can be rearranged. The Lego blocks, so to speak, can be rearranged, and we can very easily make this trailer a passenger side load trailer. Now let's take a look at the loading components and QuickDraw loading system installed on this Patriot spray trailer. So of course, if we look right here, we start with our QuickDraw. We talked about those wing modules, and we've got our module designed specifically for our QuickDraw, of course, that has been installed to the module bolt-on rail, and then our QuickDraw has been mounted. This trailer, we've got a 6-product QuickDraw. Just to our right, we have our swing down eductor. This is our 20-gallon stainless steel eductor. It's equipped with the Kim Blade jug knife for cutting, emptying, and cleaning those chemical jugs and bags. One of the things that you'll notice about the way this swing down eductor attaches to our modular trailer is that our working height of this eductor is at a very comfortable height because of how it's mounted and the amount of travel that we have in order to lower that as close to the ground as possible. Provides that very convenient working height for your operator that's lifting those jugs and bags and putting them into the spray batch. Of course, when we're ready to move, we simply move the swing down eductor to the transport position, and we're ready to go. Additional option is our swing out load boom. Again, this can be placed in several different locations on the trailer, but it's designed in such a way that we simply swing it out. The boom itself is 10 feet in length. In this configuration, we have about 20 feet of hose on the boom, and our securement point is back here. If you're in a scenario where you may need some length in order to reach across perhaps a road ditch, we leave this hose longer, and then we have an additional 10 feet of length beyond the boom to load. If your loading situation is one where you're able to you have a front fill sprayer and pull up very close, our securement point is adjustable, and we can vary the length of our load hose. Additional option of the Patriot spray trailer is a tote rack. Tote rack contains positions to put 4 totes. Or we can equip it with the cargo netting in the bottom positions in order to use those as containment areas for jugs, bags, either full or after they've been emptied, and we need to be able to contain them in order to get them back to the farm or the yard. Our Patriot spray trailers equipped with QuickDraw automated loading system are going to feature electric valves on the bottom of each of our tanks, and those are going to be controlled with switches right here inside the cab, so we don't have to crawl under the trailer or access a push rod in order to open and close our tank valves. A couple of additional switches. These trailers are equipped with what we call carrier refill, and if we look right down here under our QuickDraw, you'll see our refill port. What this feature allows us to do is to connect to a ground tank, and then we have the option to use a pump and just push that water or fertilizer into either of our tanks, or we can use the carrier refill feature of our QuickDraw system, utilize the pump on the trailer, and set an amount that we want to load into either of our tanks, utilize QuickDraw's ability to measure that amount, and then automatically shut off at the set point. Patriot spray trailers are going to be equipped with a garden hose rinse nozzle and reel. Anytime our transfer pump is running, we will have pressurized water at this reel. Now we're taking a look at the side of the trailer opposite at the load side. So that's the passenger side on this driver's side load configuration. And we'll see a little bit more of the modular design of this trailer. So you see here we've got our 3 42-inch wing modules for holding 3 totes or a pallet of jugged or bag material. Additionally, we have our tote rack at the front. If a trailer configuration without a tote rack, we'll simply have a couple of additional wing modules in that location to provide us locations for additional totes or pallets. We see we've got our refill port on this side of the trailer as well, so provide you the ability to fill from whichever side is most convenient. Our transfer pump is going to be located on the side of the trailer opposite our loading boom. So on this trailer, it's on the passenger side. You'll see that pump is also mounted on a mounting bracket that's a part of that modular design. 3-inch John Blue pump available with either a Vanguard fuel injected engine or a Honda carbureted engine. One of the things that you'll notice here is you'll see our inlet plumbing coming with that strainer, and then our outlet plumbing going back through the trailer frame. All of that 3-inch plumbing is contained and secured under the deck in between the frame rails of the trailer. We've got some hose trays there that securely hold and protect that plumbing underneath the trailer. And then we don't have any of that 3-inch plumbing that has to be routed and maneuvered around on the deck of our trailer.